Amidst the pandemic, India's coronavirus lockdown had an adverse impact on the children, pushing up incidents of child trafficking and child marriage. As the government imposed the lockdown for India's 1.3 billion inhabitants on March 24, 2020, over 122 million people already lost their jobs. Around 75% of them were small traders and daily wage laborers. At one point during lockdown in India, over the course of 11 days, 92,000 cases of child abuse in the family and in the communities were reported to the government helpline. In recent months, there has also been an increase of forced marriages. We've come across children as young as 12 years old have been trafficked into forced marriage. President Rodrigo Duterte questioned why he should allow Facebook to continue operating in the Philippines after the social media giant removed account he said was backed his government's interest, including fighting insurgents. Facebook said last week it had removed a Philippine network of fake accounts whose operators tried to conceal their identities and used coordinated inauthentic behavior to mislead people. You know, Facebook, insurgency is about overturning government. What would be the point of allowing you to continue if you cannot help us? If you cannot help me protect the government interest, then let us talk. We may or we may not find the solution. If we cannot, then I'm sorry, Duterte said. Military Chief of Staff Gilbert Gapay said an account of a military-backed private group called Hands Off Our Children, which campaigns against the recruitment of students and children by communist guerrillas, was removed, and he asked that the account be reinstated. The number of coronavirus disease cases in northeastern Mindanao or Caraga region continued to rise with 34 new cases recorded. Based on the COVID-19 Regional Case Bulletin released by the Department of Health Center for Health and Development, 17 new cases were recorded in Butuan City, 8 in Agusan del Sur, 4 in Agusan del Norte, 3 in Cabadbaran City, and 2 in the PAC, Surigao del Norte. Caraga region has now a total of 2,225 confirmed cases of COVID-19, with 778 active cases and 96 deaths. According to the medical status of the new COVID-19 patients, the DOH-CHD said 16 have mild symptoms and 18 were asymptomatic. In a virtual press briefing on Sunday, DOH-CHD disclosed that Caraga region also has a total of 1,351 recoveries. On October 21, 2020, Lieutenant General Antonio Parladi Jr., a commander of the Southern Luzon Command of the Philippine Army and currently spokesperson of the National Task Force, warned actress Liza Soberano against working further with left-leaning Gabriela Youth after the celebrity spoke as a guest in one of its events. He gave the same warning to Miss Universe 2018 Catriona Gray while red-tagging the sister of Angel Locsin, Ella Colmenares. He alleged that Locsin's sibling is working with the New People's Army in Quezon City. Gray, meanwhile, has been vocal against the government in some issues, including the passage of the Anti-Terrorism Act and the shutdown of the ABS-CBN network. The choice is yours, Liza, and so with you, Catriona, he added. Don't follow the path Ella Colmenares took in the underground. But for the stand of Liza Soberano, everything's been done neutrally. For truth and accuracy, this is Roy Feliscoso reporting for UGE Network.